Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about Amazon Bedrock, a generative AI service from AWS. Today, we're going to see how Bedrock helps developers to make project easier and provide the code based on their prompts. So today we are also going to give the prompt to the Bedrock, which is going to generate the code using the AI model, and we'll host the application into the EC2 instance. Let us jump into the console. Here in the console, type AWS Bedrock and select the Amazon Bedrock. So this is the landing page. Here we need to come under the configuration and learning and select the model axis. Under the model axis, just simply click on modify model axis. Here we can see the number of providers and their models, and we can select any one of the AI model. So simply Nova Lite, which is an AI model which was provided by Amazon. Click on Amazon Nova and click next, and then next. The console, click on modify model axis and search for the Nova Lite. Search for the Nova Lite and hit enter. Here we can see the Nova Lite. If you are new to the Amazon Bedrock, just click the checkbox and click on next, and we'll get the permission to access the Nova Lite. So I am already having the access to Nova Lite. After successfully having the access of Amazon Bedrock, from left panel scroll up and click on text playground. Here we need to select the model which we have grant. Under the category, select Amazon, and under the models, select Nova Lite and click on apply. Here in the console, now it's time to change some output tokens where the length of the output token should be maximum and the randomness on the top should be as usual. Right side, here we need to prompt what type of app or what are the website we are going to build. Here I will going to give a simple prompt. Generate a .html file for a tic-tac game without explanation, and hit enter. Now Bedrock will going to generate an HTML file of tic-tac game. So it was generated within a seconds. Now we can copy the response. Now let us move to the Amazon EC2 instance. Name the game as game itself and select the Amazon Linux, which is free tier eligible. Here we need to create the key pair. Here we need to allow, under the network setting, we need to allow the HTTP and HTTPS. So click on edit. Under security groups, add a security group. Select for both HTTP and HTTPS. Select HTTP, custom IP, anywhere CIDR. After selecting HTTP and HTTPS, click on launch instance. After launching the instance, let's connect to the instance. Okay, our instance state is in running, but the status check is still initializing. So wait for a minute until the status check is 2 by 2. So our status check is 2 by 2. Now let's connect to the instance. Click on instance, click on connect and connect. Now we are into the instance. Let's make it root user. Sudo su. So we need to install a HTTP server. So let us install it. Yum install httpd-y. It will going to install an Apache server, and we used yum because we are using the Amazon Linux. For other Linux we use apt get apt. Now let us move to the var directory, cd/var/www/html. So we are inside the HTML directory. Now let us check, is there any files? No, we don't have any files. We need to create an index.html file. We use touch command to create the files. Touch index.html. So we created the index.html file. Now we need to paste the code which was given by the Amazon Bedrock. So let us paste the code inside the HTML file. Vim index.html. Here we need to paste the code. Simply paste it. Here we need to remove these codes. Click on I to insert and remove these 3 codes. And here we need to remove this HTML. So let's escape, WQ and colon. Sorry, it's not colon. Pasted the code inside the index.html file. Now we need to start the web server. So let us start the web server. chk config httpd on and service httpd start. Now our server is running on the IP address of instance, which is public IP address. Now copy the instance. Now let us copy the public IP address and paste it on the any of the browser. Paste it here and /index index.html. So here is our game. So let us test the game. X is winner. So our game is running. So this is how we can make a sample web application using Amazon Bedrock. If you like the content, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.